Hey there, problem solvers. Today we're diving into a common issue that Visual Studio users might face when creating a new ASP.NET web application. So here's the problem. After selecting the empty application template and creating the project, an error pops up, preventing the application from being successfully created. Frustrating, right? Now, on to the solution. By enabling the backup for OneDrive, which was previously turned off, the user was able to regain access to the IIS Express folder and files within the Documents folder. This simple step of syncing the specific folders with OneDrive resolved the access issue, allowing the application to be created without any further hiccups. Remember, sometimes it's the little settings that can make a big difference. In summary, if you're facing difficulties accessing your IIS Express folder and files when creating an ASP.NET web application in Visual Studio, try enabling the backup for OneDrive. This simple solution can help you resolve the issue and get back to coding seamlessly. Well, that's a wrap for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a witty comment below. Happy coding!